So this is my burger delivery. So it came on FedEx. Really nice stickers on there. Almost famous, famous at home. Fragile, contains hopes and dreams. So we've got really good humour and style. So it's real kind of punk rock kind of branding. Even the tape's really cool. Yeah, that's really kind of what you'd expect. First thing on top, warning, this could end up in a hot mess. Follow instructions carefully. So some text at the bottom, but it's not unfuck-upable. Take a minute, unpack these lights carefully and have a read of beautiful misinformation, of the baffling misinformation we've included. Plan your night and feel almost famous. So really kind of good style humour. It's kind of really punky. That's just it. Nothing in there. Then we've got our guide on how to make things, and this is a really well written guide. So it's like being in the restaurant. The style in real like punk rock feel. You got a Spotify playlist, and that is really awesome. So if you want to scan that now, that takes you through. It's great to listen to. It describes how good it is. Fix the best damn burger you've ever made at home, and it looks like that, which is really awesome. How to make bacon fries, all the ingredients, where you're going to go and put your sauce on. It's really cool because it comes with a Almost Famous sticker for your laptop, and it comes with a Polaroid picture. That's what you're trying to make. That's where you're going. So it's really nice. You could use it as a postcard, I guess, but it's just information about what your burger is. That's really cool. But yeah, this whole thing's been so well designed all the way through. The style, the humour, the feel, it's just really, really great. So into the ingredients, we've got our burger buns. Nice. Buns. Frazzles, everyone needs frazzles, part of the burger. We've got a chili. One dust, that's to make the fries. I know that to make it before. Look, I've made one of these before. That's the shoestring onions. So that's really cool. Nice little vacuum packed bit there. And that is, I think, some drinks. Trying to do this one-handed is really difficult. How to open this? There we are. What comes in here? It is bacon raven. It's not drinks, right? These are ingredients. Drop it on the floor. So you've got all this prepared stuff. So bacon butter, burger butter, that goes on your burger when you're cooking. That goes on your fries. So bacon bits. Bacon ketchup, part of the burger. Bacon mayo, goes on the burger again. Redneck barbecue, so that's really cool. Then in here, we've got our ice pack, you can just throw away, because that's just useless. So we've got our meat, we've got our cheese, obviously. So the humour kind of continues on there. Bacon mayo, good for toppings, and we've got the bacon. That is everything, another ice pack. And that's insulation stuff, which is just kind of what it is. So you get one hell of a lot of ingredients. It's real kind of awesome chef stuff. Same kind you get in a high-end burger restaurant. But the number one thing, which is the best, is the sort of case candy stuff. So the hot mess, great humour, easy to follow guides, cooking times, all this stuff. It really gives you a brand feel. But one of my favourite things like that image, just absolutely awesome for brand. That playlist, so listening to that whilst you're cooking makes the whole thing a great experience. I feel like being in a restaurant. And yeah, really awesome packaging, really awesome kit. And the burger tastes stunning. I've made one before, worth doing all the way.